So many questions by the media who's over here. So I think if you all do want to ask some questions, the media personalities that are here, there's so many senior journalists also. आपको कुछ प्रश्न पूछना है live sir, then you all please ask. Because he wants to ask. There's a mic there. I'm going to get into trouble for this, but I think.
Hi Varun.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm very good.
Long time. I wanted to know that when you're working on a serial, and especially in an action serial like this, which is centered around you and Samantha, what is the difference in approach vis-a-vis, say, any film of yours or any action film that you've done before?
I think with the series, what happens is that you get a much longer time to be in the character, and when you're working with directors like Raj and DK, they're very concerned कि ये कोई दूसरा काम तो नहीं कर रहा है. He's starting some other film. Is he shooting some ad? So they were very concerned before. I think I went on board only. They had given me strict thing that if you're doing this, you cannot do another film during this. You cannot shoot no ads. This is your look. You be only in this. So I enjoyed it a little more because I got to be in this character of Bunny for a much longer period of time. And because you get so much time, you get episodes. जो character का जो arc है, I think वो better, it comes out better. It's like how in real life you want people to understand you and not misunderstand you. But sometimes the meeting is so less that they misunderstand you. इसमें I think people hopefully will understand my character. They won't. And there's so many other moments which you can express so well. And they're wonderful directors, yeah. Honestly, Raj and DK are just such wonderful directors. I had such a good time learning from them and being directed by them. And I think people will get to see a very different side of mine, which I don't think I've gone into that side since Badlapur. I've got a chance now with them. They've really pushed me into a corner to remove this performance. But I'm glad it happened.
And I want to tell you that there's genuine euphoria there was before this came out. But I also can feel that there is genuine love for everybody present on stage because of what you guys have stood up for. Sam, my question would be to you that like Varun said, that you've been on a personal mission of health and wellness in the last 2 years. You've been the face and voice of strength here also and in real life. How do you deal with the lows and how do you manage to never give up just like your character?
I do give up. I can't tell you that I don't, but that's not where the story ends. I climb back up.
And she does a 10-minute ice bath thing. I don't know, it's not even a challenge anymore because we would do action sequences and then Sam is like, the best way to heal is to just do an ice bath. And I was like, I would tell my trainer, हाँ यार देख ये भी कर रही है, करना चाहिए हम लोग को. So then he would get ice and put, and I would be like just 2 minutes, like, hey, बहुत ठंडा है भाई मैं बाहर निकल रहा हूँ. And she would do like 10 minutes. You got it, but that's very long, yeah. Way longer than me.
6 minutes.
6-7 minutes to you going till.
Commendable, man. 10 minutes is a long time.
Not 10 minutes, 6 minutes.
He wants the mic over there. Hi, बोल रहे हैं mic.
Flying colors because the action genre is something that I'm deeply invested in and I would like to do more of. So I really hope they give me their blessings on this one.
You aced it like a champion in the teaser, so wishing you the best.
Actually, since you're on this, it's a very random thing and I'm pretty random anyway, but I was saying, I have actually been a fan of Sam since she had done Makhi. Oh yeah. And I didn't know कि ये वो है actually. मैंने वो देखा था, मुझे वो गाना बहुत पसंद था. नीने नीने अरे 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 अरे. Oh, I love that song.
He's been wanting to do this for a while.
Whenever I meet her, I'll say, can we just make a reel on the song once, Samantha? One chance. But because she was so amazing in that. And then, while doing the series with her, I realized, hey, it's Samantha Dee. Then some other film, she said, hey, this Samantha Dee. So she's given so many hits, which I didn't know it was her. Then I came to know. And then she has a pet name also. Can I say it?
I think someone take his mic away,
We are,
please?
we, are, we are here for date reveal. We are only here for date reveal, not your nickname reveal. We shall keep it for behind the scenes. But Raj and DK, I have a question. Like, all of us are curious to know Citadel Honey Bunny.
बधाई आपको।
Yes, sure, ma'am.
आई एम गुड, थैंक यू। पहले तो बहुत बहुत बधाई कि आपने परंपरा को कायम रखा। तो वरुण, मेरा सवाल ये, आपने कहा 12 मिनट लगा था वो एक सीन को करने में, तो इतना लंबा एक्शन सीन करने का कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था, क्या सीखा?
बहुत डिफिकल्ट था, और आई थिंक डिफिकल्टी से ज़्यादा it was very challenging, you know. I know that in Family Man also they had a long one take action sequence which they had done. So when they came to pitch this idea कि you know इसमें हम लोग 12 मिनट का एक लंबा one take करेंगे, 1 hour, that's how what they call it, a 1 hour करेंगे, तो my question और सैम का भी क्वेश्चन यही था कि करेंगे कैसे ये, इसके लिए बहुत रिहर्सल चाहिए होगा, because there are different parts, और हम लोग एक हवेली में शूट कर रहे थे, पैलेस we were shooting, and ये कैसे करेंगे, कोरियोग्राफ कैसे करेंगे, because as we keep moving things get more difficult. There are bombs that are bursting, there are grenades that we are throwing and which are bursting in real time and stuff like that. And I mean it's actually a very scientific process, a very technical thing. Actually, Raj can.
No, I mean, we have done this before. It's a very well choreographed one takes, but this time we had really good action, hidden action talent in both of them. That we actually put them in the line of fire. So they had to do the stunts. There was really no doubles. So they had to do it all themselves. So that was the challenge this time. But they were up for it, right? Correct?
I'm glad you made that very clear.
Yeah, very first, Varun was so enthusiastic that the very first day, very first shot of him, usually it's a respectful shot, right? Where, okay, let's take action. What we did was, he was ulta, Ganga fight, head down, from the top he came down. That was his very first shot. So it was that kind of enthusiastic actors we need as creators to push the boundaries.
Bunny
For
is
both of
my,
you, this question goes for both of you.
Bunny is my mentor. He teaches me everything I know. So I'm the better spy.
And in real life, you're his inspiration. So, Varun, what about you? No, on.
In real life, you're a spy in
No,
real
I
life.
think in real life women would definitely be better than men. Being a spy.
What, a spy?
Being a spy.
I'm not so sure I like that answer.
They've all agreed. All the men are also agreeing. कितने प्रतिशत भारतीय पकड़े गए स्पाई की वजह से.
Sita wants to say something, please.
We started with this whole idea of Honey and Bunny. It's a spy action film series. It's a story of, we started with, we know everything about James Bond. What would the story of James Bond's parents be like? So that's Honey and Bunny. There's no one is up, one is down, one is greater, one. No, both are equal. They're top.
She turned down the question basically. She said, no, bad question, move on.
Basically, yeah, she's like, don't get into that space, Sachin. Don't.
But honestly, I think, like Raj said earlier, this, at the base of it, it is a love story. You know, it's such a fantastic story and such an amazing screenplay, Sita. This one. It's such an unbelievable screenplay that when you hear the story and how it unfolds, you just you get sucked into it and how much it tells you. But they said now there's a lot of romance and all. That's, I don't know how true that is. No, the first day of shoot with Sam, they were like, okay, now punch her. I was like, they're like, yeah, just punch her, hit her. And Samantha was like, hit me hard. So it was, there's a lot of hitting also going on for various reasons, but it's a violent love story.
It's a rugged way of the gang here on stage. We are waiting. Shall we? I know you all are waiting to know, right?
वरुण
Launch date.
वरुण थोड़ा
Disclose
सेंटर
कर दे.
वरुण भाई सेंटर
Okay, उसके लिए करना पड़ेगा.
बस माइक
Mike, we can come. I'll take it. I'll do the photo.
You're doing photos?
They want to, so quick.
सेंटर भी होता है ना
ये कैमरा क्रू रुकना.
I'll give it back.
कान ये होता है
Thank you.
लॉन्च होता है
Into the spotlight.
Look here, center.